Aloha and like Flynn viewers, welcome back. Today we are going to be talking about one crucial item that you need to take with you on your next Walt Disney World or Universal Studios vacation or any theme park visit, okay? Because this item is going to give you peace of mind. Now, we've all been there. We've all been walking around with our strollers and we park them at an attraction. We park it at Small World, right where we're supposed to. But we get off the ride and our stroller's nowhere to be found. Where'd it go? It's not there. We know we left it there. Well, guess what? There's Disney employees that are literally, their whole job is to take and rearrange the strollers so that they're not just all scattered about. But unfortunately, now your heart is sank. You have no clue where your stroller is. It could be several hundred feet away. You don't know where it is. But this item that I have for you is really going to help you out. And that would be an Apple AirTag. You do not want to go to the parks without an Apple AirTag. Now, here's what you do. You get this AirTag and you pair it with your iPhone, okay? And if you don't have an iPhone, you can go get yourself a Tile Smart Tag. And if you don't want to get a Tile Smart Tag, Google and Android also has their own version. I believe it's called like the Android Smart Tag. And you can get one of these and you hide it discreetly in your stroller. And what these items do is it will literally track down your stroller to within 3 to 5 feet. So when you get off that ride, you know exactly where your stroller is. You just pop open your phone, you open that Find Your Phone app, and it is going to track that tile tag down to your stroller. Now, take that tag and you put it somewhere in your stroller, nice and discreet. You either put some tape on it, tape it up like underneath one of the compartments, or you hide it in one of the little bins in the stroller, somewhere where it's not easily seen, but you know it's there. But the person who is possibly taking your stroller, maybe they just happen to walk off with it by accident. Well, guess what? They take it anywhere in Disney World, you know exactly where that stroller is. If they take it anywhere in the world, you're gonna know where that stroller is. You can also put these babies in your backpack. So say you accidentally leave your backpack on the ride, but you're not sure which one you left it on. Well, you use your smart tag and you know exactly where your book bag is. Maybe it's already been taken to Lost and Found. Maybe it's still at the attraction. All you gotta do is pop open your phone and you know exactly where it's at. Now, I'm not getting any money from sponsoring any of these products or anything like that. I'll link to them in the comments in the description. But when you go on your next trip, you're gonna wanna pick yourself up an Apple AirTag because these are just so convenient. And you can have multiple ones. You can have ones in your book bag, ones in your stroller, and they just give you such great peace of mind that you can misplace your stuff and you'll know exactly where it's at. Or even if it's a locker, like say you put your book bag in a locker somewhere and you don't remember exactly what locker you left it in or where, it will track it down right to that location. Or say you're parking and you want to leave one in your car so you know exactly where your car is parked. Leave one in your car and you can track your car down in the huge, vast parking lots of Walt Disney World or Universal Studios in that crazy big parking garage. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you go out and get yourself some of these AirTags. They are amazing. And I hope you subscribe if you like this tip. Please subscribe to the channel. We will bring you so many more tips and tricks in the future, so much more great content. And we look forward to serving you and bringing you nothing but the best Walt Disney World and Universal Studios theme park content. Aloha, everybody. Until next time, peace out. Love y'all.